Good afternoon, guys. This is Janice with Janie Lee Gig Economy. So I am having a fantastic Saturday. Oh my goodness. So I started my shift at around 12:30, right? It's 2:43 right now. I'm on my way to Outback to pick up a Top Dasher order worth $80. So I believe I had 3 large orders today so far. It's only been about 2 hours. 3 large orders, 2 Top Dasher orders. I'm sitting at right now, not even including this order, I am sitting at $111. I've made that in 2 hours. This has been the best profit from any gig app I've ever done to date, right? And I give all thanks to being a Top Dasher. I've reached a perfect 100% acceptance rate for the first time ever. So yeah, picked up the $80 worth of Outback Steakhouse. Now I'm headed to, I believe it's North Hollywood, to make the drop off. So yeah, it should not be bad. I'm not. And a catering bag since it's large. I have 3 catering bags back here. And yes, I've used all 3 of them a few times before. All 3 of them at once for some large catering orders. Like the largest order I've had was like almost $700 worth of food. Headed my way to North Hollywood to drop off Juanita's Outback food. So yeah, just driving and enjoying the beautiful views of Southern California. Right by that, those pretty palm trees. Driving with the fancy hands. Driving with the fancy hands. Driving with the fancy hands. Yes, I like to sing to myself while I'm driving with the fancy hands. Driving with the fancy, driving with the fancy, driving with the fancy hands. Fancy hands. So I dropped off that Outback Steakhouse. Wasn't too great of an order. I only received the price that was listed when I accepted it, so I won't consider that a good order, but I'm very thankful for the money regardless. At least I know for next time, if I see a similar order like that, I should probably think twice about accepting it, because that may be the full offer amount. But yeah, I'm grateful. Like, hey, I got a large order in, so that order is still considered better than just receiving, compared to the orders that non-Top Dashers received.